Hi everyone! Welcome to another edition of kawaiieeveexox. So I recently came across a drink vending machine. It's called Japan in a Can by EqualX. I thought I'll share it with you guys. So EqualX founded in Melbourne in 2018. They're currently only available in Melbourne, Australia. So there's a few vending locations available. So there's one in the Jam Factory, one in BURWOOD 1, DFO Moorabbin, Homemaker Centre and Northland Shopping Centre. The brands that are available in this vending machine is Tea for You Aloe Vera, Suntory Boss Coffee, New Water, Kirin Tea, Ito and Tea, Poker Tea, Sakari Sweat, Sangaria Coffee, and Homeplus Coffee Soda. So I'm just gonna put some coins in the machine. If you don't have any coins, you can tap and go. I selected the hot option for $2.50. And at the bottom, you can take your drink out. So I got the Sangaria latte, the regular latte, and the hot version. So it's really nice and hot. Yeah, it's only $2.50. That's Australian dollars. I really like the taste of it and would recommend it to everyone that wants coffee or any cold or hot drinks on the go. It's really convenient and it's really affordable for only $2.50. You can't really go wrong. Please show your support by sharing, watching, liking and subscribing to kawaiieeveexox so I can make more videos for you to watch.